What's up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing video. I just got my new steamer. It's the MC1375 by McCulloch. Also got some detail brushes that I'll do a quick little review on a little bit later. Got this idea from Sporty's auto detailing channel. So just wanted to open these up, kind of show you what you get when you order them. I'm not going to put an Amazon link on there or nothing like that, but they're on Amazon, so you can check those out. We got the hard bristle brushes. They just attach pretty easily to your drill. I'm going to try this kind of idea out. It was like 12 bucks or something like that, pretty cheap, small investment. Maybe I can get some pretty good results out of it. We're going to try it, check it out. So for the price, I mean, you get 3 little brushes. They're pretty firm, actually. They feel like they might do a pretty good job. So we'll I'll check those out, and I'll make a little video of that after I try it out a couple times and let you guys know what I think. Alright, so that's what you're getting there. That was like 12 or 18 bucks, somewhere in there, somewhere in that price range. Alright, so that's that. Now on to the bigger item with the McCulloch steamer. The MC1375, like I mentioned. This thing checked out. I'm actually kind of excited for this. I was using a really small steamer before this. It broke, so I invested in a little bit bigger one. Eventually I'll probably go with something like the VX5000, but for now, maybe this is all I need. Maybe I won't have to upgrade. We'll see. Give it a few tries and then I'll get back to you with a video on that. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Maybe you can't hear me at all, I sure hope so. But got an assortment of brushes in there. Got your filling container. Got a couple extensions for the mop head, I'm guessing. Of the scrubber brushes, I've heard that these things wear out quickly, so we'll see about that. I'll try them out a few times and then make a video on that, and we'll see how that goes. Got your instructions, your little accessory net that attaches to the back, from what I understand. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. I'm gonna set this on the door. Person just dropped us off. They're actually still parked out in front of my house. They might think I'm a little weird for making a little video on this, but that's okay. I wanted to give people an idea of the actual unboxing of what this thing looks like and what it takes and that sort of thing. Definitely in there tightly. Dropping stuff like crazy. Alright. So thrown in there. See the other accessories, looks like some tips and things like that. Wondering if that is for the, well, that's not for the mop head, but got some pretty neat little accessories here. This is probably the one I'll be using the most here for carpets and upholstery. Got your mop head with a couple, there we go, that's just to store it right there. Pretty cool. And your attachment for the bottom, looks like it's got some brushes on there. I mean, it's lightweight. Overall feeling of the actual steamer, I mean, it does feel like a little bit cheaper material. It's hard plastic though. Should be, you know, not too bad, but I guess we'll give it a try. Here's your mop heads that come with it. The hose is nicely wrapped, already attached. Not too bad. That actually seems pretty good quality. It's hard plastic, but it's not too bad, I don't think. And the actual steamer itself. Sorry about taking so long just to get this thing out. Alright. There's the steamer itself, actual unit. Pretty good size. Got your on-off switch here. And that's the fill port. It's got a little pressure gauge there. Alright, well that about does it. I mean, you get everything right there. I mean, hopefully you guys can see that. I'll kind of take you through the accessories again. How it comes right out of the box. So haven't used it, haven't opened it, other than this part right here. I opened that. So that's kind of what you should be getting when you buy this. There's the lights, the mop pieces. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.